So this is a dark amethyst 44.5 kilo Brazilian amethyst cave with some absolutely astounding structure inside. 65 centimeters tall, 44 centimeters wide, and about 19 centimeters deep. From the top, it's kind of got a little bit of a blue lace agate lining around the outsides, around most of it. Goes all the way around the cave. It's quite dark amethyst in there. The points are in beautiful order, and it's got some really interesting structures. So at 45.5 kilos, this is a good floor stander. You could put it on a sturdy table or put it on some blocks to elevate it a bit. But it's absolutely stunning. There's your milk bottle for comparison. This is the side profile. And this is the back profile. So this cave has some calcite formations. There's a calcite there, but in here is a real gorgeous little calcite, very sparkly. Now the crystals in this cave are highly etched. For instance, this one here has inverse record keepers. If the refraction will get it, you'll see this has got indented three-dimensional triangles. That's an inverse record keeper on this point here. It's got like quite a few of them actually. So there are these also scattered through the cave, which is pretty cool. However, the most defining factor in this cave is the fact that it's got some very rare, unusual balls inside the actual amethyst points. These orange so in there is 3 to 4 little orange balls that are actually inside the crystal. So one of the top lapidary crystal people in Melbourne reckons that's a zeolite of some kind. I don't think it's calcite. There's another one, and you can see this whopper of a one over here. Inside the crystal, balls inside the crystal. How on earth does that happen? It's amazing, isn't it? This one in here's got stuff in it too. There's a ball there, balls there. Is it going to show? There's more in there. This cave is just astounding. I call it Raku for lightning bolt. Definite clearer. That's my entire hand inside the cave, so you got lots of room to put your objects to cleanse them. And this is Raku. It's the lightning bolt. So the Tibetan symbol for ascension. Unless you're going the other way, which is grounding. It'll ground you. Amethyst grounds. But it also opens up your crown and everything too. It's quite a versatile crystal. Now this will come with an amethyst cave meditation where we take you through how to use the amethyst rays, the purple rays, the violet, the 7th ray of course, Saint Germain. This here is like a little funny crystal nest. It's just remarkable. It's just kind of grown out separately. It's like a little scooped out nest. please make contact by phone, SMS or voice call preferably, to arrange pickup, or if you've got questions, send me a message or call me. Thank you.